For the nth time, we are going to Mysore because we are going to tour Mama and Papa in Mysore. Before we'll proceed, we're already halfway. We'll have tea, snacks, or breakfast. We'll see. In which case, they're sleeping. So we have been to Mysore like 5-6 times already. Pero sila hindi pa nakapunta doon. So itutour natin sila doon. Sabi ko nga dati, diba, every time we have guests, we have visitors, we are only bringing them to Mysore because it's the closest na merong tourist spot ba. Dito tayo mag-breakfast na lang siguro. Kasi after nito, dire-diretso na yung biyahe namin. Dosa. This is mine, okay? Uncle will make your plain dosa, okay? But you can have this one. Crispy one. Kasi ito masala dosa to, guys. Yung red chili sa gitna, maanghang. Order ka kay Mish ka ng plain. Nagbibenta na ng mangga. We have arrived.
Yeah. Traffic is there.
Yes, traffic nga lang. So this is the first time that Abhi is driving for his parents. Somewhere a little bit far. That's why we decided to come here in Mysore. Because tomorrow they are leaving na, guys. They're going back home. So ito na lang yung day na makakagala kami. Maraming nagbibenta dito ngayon ng mga kung ano-ano, fruits, yan. Kapag alam nilang may bata sa loob, napakita nila yung kanilang binibentang toys. You still have bubbles at home? No?
They will do it in front of kids.
Yeah. So that the kids will cry, so you'll have to buy. Okay, we'll look for Uncle. Wait, okay. Our destination is the Brindavan Garden for them. It's their first time, so we are going back again to show them the garden. It's still early, 8:56, but actually we are late.
Our target was to reach here by 7:30, almost 1 hour late.
We are planning to
go Mysore Palace, Chamundeswari
so 3
Temple,
places.
And the St. Philomena Church.
St. Philomena.
After that, while returning, if we'll get time, then that other temple, I don't know.
So maybe 3 to 4 places we will cover today here in Mysore. 5.7 kilometers away. Almost there. Parang Pilipinas lang din. Inside. We're here. Brindavan Garden Resort and Spa. See? Welcome to Brindavan Garden. Yeah, there goes snow. Kuha tayo ng ticket before pumasok sa loob. Hindi na ako masyado mag-vlog dito kasi napakita ko naman na to eh. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Hindi mainit, malamig-lamig yung hangin. And yung opening time is 9 AM and it's just 9:16. Konti pa lang yung tao. Yun nga, maganda yung weather ngayon. Malamig. Last time na pumunta kami dito, mainit na. Sobrang early namin, guys. Yung mga naglilinis dito, nagsisimula pa lang. Ang lamig. Pag ganitong merong sound ng tubig, guys, nakaka-refresh ng utak. Diba? Oh my gosh, basa tayo nito. Run, Mimi, run! Run! Parang inaayos ata nila yung kanilang fountain. Sa sementado na. Yung doon lang yung gumagana. Mula doon sa taas ata inaayos nila. Do you know why she is jumping? Kasi may nakita siyang park. Parang bago itong kanilang playground. Ayan o, yung colorful na playground. Happy si Mishka, di pa jump pa siya. Nire-renovate nila yung lugar. Everywhere may mga gumagawa. Ito bago lang to eh. Yung pinunta namin dito, yung park eh. Mishi, use the stairs, okay? This side, this side. Much lower. This one, Guda. This side. Wow. This is nice. Yeah, it's nice, right? Ayaw pa niyang maniwala sa akin na meron pang isang playground dito. See, I told you. Nailibot na ni Abhi sila ni Mami at ni Papa. So we're going to our next spot. I think yung mandir na, yung temple. Kasi yung opening time nun is 10. And it's already 10. How much is that? Yeah, I want that.
Masala, madam?
Masala you want?
Masala, give it separate paper.
I think this one.
How much ba ya?
70.
Ito yung mangga na nabili namin, guys. May kasama yung masala, chili powder, and salt. Sarap, diba? Yummy. Everyone is eating mango. Gusto din naman siya yan eh. This is on the way to Sri Chamundi Hill Temple. Paakyat na to, guys. We're almost there. We are 4.3 kilometers away. Nasa tuktok na kami. Nawala sa isip ko na magte-temple kami. Nag-dress ang lola nyo. So, above the knee. I'm not sure if makakapasok ako sa loob. So, if not, may iiwan lang kami ni Mishka dito sa sasakyan. Sila na lang ni Abhi yung pupunta sa temple anyway. Para naman sa kanila ni Mami yung pagpunta namin dito sa temple. So, okay lang. Makapasok or hindi. And it's okay. Tingnan nyo. Yung papuntahan namin, red. So, it means, ang dami-daming tao. Oh my gosh.
Arre baap, ito to the red hai.
Jump.
Ah.
What's this? You are at 3,489 feet on one of the 8 most sacred hills of South India. One of the most sacred hills pala ito. That's why ang daming turista. Side by side yung parking. So we're not sure if meron kaming parking space doon pag nakaabot na kami doon sa temple, or siguro babalik sabi dito para mag-park. Tingnan niyo. And we are just 800 meters away. Andito na kami. Ang tagal ng paghanap namin ng parking space. Punong-puno yung parking nila dito. Buti na lang merong isang dito sa gilid. Isang vacant space. Nakapag-park kami. Nakapaan na lang kami ngayon, guys, kasi papasok sa temple. Hindi ka pwedeng magdala ng sapatos. So, iwan na lang namin yung sapatos dito sa sasakyan. Kasi ang daming tao sa loob. Mahirap mag-iwan-iwan ng sapatos pag bumpa. Ang dami nagtitinda. Na ito offering. Yung souvenirs. Naman. Before it's not this much, huh? But now it's more organized. Dami ng mga nagtitinda. 5 years ago hindi pa ganito kadami mga nagtitinda-tinda dito, guys. Merong sangka. Ayan na yung temple, guys. Pero tingnan nyo yung pila mula sa labas. Last time hindi rin kami pumasok kasi ang daming pila. I think this time hindi rin kami papasok. I'm not sure sila ni mami if papasok sila. Hindi kami papasok, guys. Dito lang kami sa labas. Abutan kami ng ilang oras papasok dun sa temple kung papasok kami dun. Ano yung pila. Magbuko na lang tayo dito sa labas ng temple, guys. Hindi na kami papasok. That's yours. This one. Dati meron kaming video dito na pinadalawa na bumababa dito sa hagdan. Ngayon sila na ni Mishkang dalawa. So nice here. Uy, dati. Those trees, look at the trees, huh? So pretty. Ito na yung Mysore Palace again. I think that one.
That's right.
The palace parking. Daddy, look at the people na naman. Ang dami na namang tao.
Mela laga hua hai.
Punong-puno na naman ng tao. We'll see if makapasok tayo dito. Ito na yung main entrance. Umabot na kami dito sa kabila. Kasi yung parking nila meron sila dito. Dun sa kabilang parking space, punong-puno. Diyan kami magpa-park. Just in front of the main gate. Tingnan niyo yung tao papunta sa Mysore Palace, guys. And yung parking space na to, punong-puno. Wala yung festival today. Weekend. Ito yung first na weekend na punta kami dito ng Mysore na sobrang crowded. And again, guys, welcome to Mysore Palace. Paulit-ulit na lang yung pagpunta namin dito sa Mysore. Pero this time, hindi kami papasok sa loob. Kasi ang daming pila dun sa, tickets. So, dito na lang kami sa labas mag-picture taking siguro para may remembrance sila ni Mami and Papa. Dito na sila.
Look here, baby. Stand here.
Okay.
Okay.
She wants her princess dress. But this is princess dress also. Go, princess! Kasi princess castle daw ito. So, dapat princess dress yung suot niya. Yes, smile. Look at daddy's camera. So many people at the back. Wait.
Look, leave your dress, Madani.
No, your dress is like princess, okay? Yay, princess! Twirl like a princess. Mishka is sitting on the elephant, guys. Yeah? Gusto niyang magpa-picture. Oy, careful ha. Don't move, love, love. Look at daddy's camera, Mimi. Cute ng smile. Again, welcome back to St. Philomena's Church here in Mysore. This is Abhi's favorite place kasi ang ganda ng parking space dito sa St. Philomena's. And what's your favorite place in Mysore?
St. Philomena's Church.
St. Philomena's Church. Ang organized kasi eh.
Whenever I visited, it never disappointed. Every time I have got a good parking place, so I am stress-free. Unlike who is
Where to park.
Where to park.
Anywhere we went, Han, this is the place, St. Philomena is the place where you are feeling relaxed.
Most stress-free.
Where to park the car.
Yeah.
Papasyal namin sila dito sa sa church. Actually, this is not the first time na sumama sila sa simbahan sa akin. Nung bumisita din sila dati sa amin, sa Bangalore, sa dati pa naming apartment nung Christmas, sumama din sila sa simbahan. So this is the second time, I think, na parang second time na sumabay sila sa amin sa simbahan. Wala yan silang problema. And I think kahit anong religion naman pwedeng pumunta dito. Kahit sa temple nila, diba? Kahit anong religion pumapasok sa temple. So ngayon sa church natin, sasama sila. Picture lang sa Abi. Sabi ni Mami Chalo, under. Pasok doon tayo sa loob. Ang ganda, diba? Mishi, Daddy J is taking picture. Come here. Oh. Smile? So pretty. Inayos niyo yung kanyang dress pa baba. Take her picture. Pareha sila ng smile na dad. They have the same smile, Daddy. Look. Palapas na kami, guys. Exit na kami. Nasa loob kami. Nanalangin din sila ni Mami at saka ni Papa. Tapos pag naglalagay ka ng for petition, for prayers, naglalagay din sila. Tapos nananalangin din sila. Ganun sila ka-open. Sa pamilya nila ni Abhi, wala talagang discrimination pagdating sa religion. Kasi open sila eh. Kaya parang hindi din ako nahihirapan kasi hindi sila yung super strict talaga na yung dapat religion lang nila. Ganun sila ka open-minded. Yung side view ng simbahan, tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Our Mysore tour is finished. We are on
Not
the way
completed
home.
it fully.
What else to visit?
No,
And not
palace we have not been inside.
And the temple also because there's so much crowd. It will take hours before we can finish in the temple or even in Mysore Palace.
Yeah.
So it's okay. We have seen the outside. Again, traffic lights. Makikita na naman ni Mishka yung she will see again this baya who's selling bubbles. Ayan, si Kuya. Look. Puti busy yung bata sa likod. It's already 2:48.
And I'm super hungry.
Yeah, we didn't have our lunch yet. So on the way na lang, Mysore Bangalore Expressway. At meron kaming madaanan. Last time also, ito din yung ginawa namin eh. Meron kaming nadaanan na restaurant. Doon kami kumain. So we'll see if we are going to that same restaurant or we will see other places para makatikim naman ng ibang pagkain sa ibang lugar.
Pujari Fishland.
Dito naman pala kami ulit. Pujari Fishland. Yung ang ganda sa loob, merong mga vintage cars. And, ano pa, live animals. Dito ulit tayo. Welcome back! Paulit-ulit yung mga pinupuntahan namin dito. Diba? If na-remember nyo, same place kung saan namin din last na mama at papa para mag ano din late lunch, early dinner. Come on, let's go. Aba, nag-kiss pa. Don't kiss na, love, don't kiss na. You want what?
Baby.
Baby what?
Baby.
Oh, okay. It's full? This side, family. Come here. Mimi. Come on. Love, love. Okay. Hintay kami umorder. Sobrang busy ng restaurant ngayon, guys. Doon sa kabila, saan kami kumain last time, punong-puno doon. At least dito meron silang space. This is like their farewell lunch dinner. Kasi uuwi na sila ni mommy and papa tomorrow. Daddy's going home tomorrow. You want to go with Daddy G? Next time? Next time you will go Patna? Okay. Umorder kami ng fish fry. Pero mas nauna pa siyang dumating ko para sa aming soup. This is today's special. Fish fry. It's hot, love, ha?
What is that?
Chicken soup. It's hot, love. You have to blow first. Chicken and paneer. Butternut. Ko na pala guys, 4:54 na ng hapon. Hapon kami katapos kumain. And ngayon, yung arrival time namin sa Bangalore is 7:53. Diba? 3 hours pa na biyahe. Mas ma-traffic na ngayon kasi hapon. Malapit na kami sa bahay. Pero dadaan kami dito. Merong bagong open na Kerala shop malapit dito. Kasi hindi kami nakabili ng banana chips sa Kerala. And jackfruit chips. So gusto ni Honey magpabili. Yun sana yung plano sa Kerala. Bibili ng banana chips. Tsaka jackfruit chips. Eh, hindi kami nakadaan talaga sa market na makapag-park kami para bumili. So ito meron dito ngayong bagong open Kerala Home Market. I think they have they're inside. Perfect yung pagpunta namin dito. Huh? How much is this? 120. Tapioca chips. And they have also this one, oh. Jackfruit peri-peri. Get 2 of this na and 2 of that plain one. So that peri-peri, they have option. This one. Yung mga nabili namin doon sa Kerala Market, guys, yung mga hindi common doon sa North. So dito bumili sa South. Banana chips, tapioca chips, ayan. Tapos dalawang klase ng jackfruit chips. Yung isa salted lang to eh. Ano ba? Or plain. Tapos yung isa peri-peri flavor. So tig-dalawa. Yung isang packet na ganito is 120 rupees. Tapos banana chips na 250 gram. Half kilo. Half kilo pala ito. Nasa ano yan, 250 rupees. Tapos, ito bumili sa akin ng isa pa. Jackfruit halwa, no? Sweet dish din siya. Yung jackfruit, ginawa nilang parang candy. Matamis-tamis. So, ito yung pasalubong ni Mami sa ano, sa Patna from South. Sabi naman ngayon yung iiyak bukas. That's the ticket. 8:25 yung flight nila bukas. So, we are leaving tomorrow at 5.